Hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab for 1A audits, 2A audits, 1A audit, 2A audit, open carry audit, conceal audit. Stay with us, hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. Liberty Legends, welcome. We're here in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County Court building for a First Amendment audit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos. Welcome. We're up here at the Jackson County Courthouse. Word on the street is they're pushing DEI over merit. We're here to hold them accountable. We got some wind we're working with today. This way is a parking lot. We go sheriff deputy over to the courthouse. Walking from the sheriff department over to the courthouse. To the main entrance. See, the main entrance is all completely under construction right now. Got a undercover detective vehicle here. Undercover detective vehicle. You come up here for these courthouse audits and you'll see all kinds of undercover vehicles, and there's a trooper, state trooper rolling in. He's going into the jail. Looks like the jail might be busy. We have to go check the jail out. Here's the alleyway between the courthouse and the sheriff department. Got your sheriff department here. So you got some nice blue skies today. So you've got their parking lot. It's all under construction for the courthouse staff. The taxpayers are paying for a brand new parking lot. It's going to be all fenced off, secured off, so no scary cameras can get close to them. You got parking for sheriff business only. You see we got some wind today. We're dealing with some wind. See if that state trooper comes back out. He may have taken one in back to the Sally Port. Probably arrested someone. Well, today I'm just running not running any external microphone. It's more windy today. I feel the audio is better just straight from the phone than the external Shure microphone I was using for these YouTube videos, these First Amendment audits. Hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab. Hit that like tab, hit that subscribe tab for 1A audits, 2A audits, 1A audit, 2A audit, open carry audit, conceal audit. Stay with us, hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. One A audit, 2A audit. You gotta like that. Exercising all those rights. Fourth Amendment audit. There's that trooper vehicle. This is a trooper vehicle. Back there's Sally Port's back that way. The jail is up here. This is the jail up here, up above the sheriff department. Up here at the Jackson County office of the sheriff. You never know what you run into up here on these First Amendment audits. Cop watch. Cops on patrol. We'll keep moving around, moving through. We got some construction work over this way. We'll move through, Stay with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. like these First Amendment audits. We're gonna wrap this First Amendment audit up here at Freedom News now, this cop watch at the Jackson County Sheriff, and that's all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for police accountability, civil rights education, YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one.